everybody, and welcome to Digital Catapult.
What we're trying to do is create the ecosystem of organisations focused on addressing digital supply chain issues and needs. The idea of the testbed was to build test environments which have got data across multiple tiers of a supply chain.
Working with the Digital Catapult, we were able to tweak our solution by working very closely with a UK company for a UK use case.
We've really enjoyed working with the Digital Catapult team because you're working with like-minded people that are trying to fix similar problems.
The benefits of being involved with the Dish ecosystem is it gives us access to businesses that will eventually be users of a full solution.
It's been fantastic to be paired in a working group with Reverse Resources. It's been brilliant to be part of that, learn how the platform works, learn how it can be applied to our business.
The matching through Digital Catapult with some of the technology providers has been really a game changer for us. Having been paired through Digital Catapult and having had that funded, that's made things possible which simply wouldn't have been otherwise.
I've gotten a space to actually speak about my work, hear about what other people are doing, and see how they can work together.
Digital Catapult are an outstanding partner to work with. There's a tremendous amount of intellectual rigour. They certainly keep us honest and keep us working hard.